तो अब शुरू होता है हमारा डेजर्ट सफारी। ऐसे सब कैंप्स में रहना भी फिजिबल है। हमें थोड़ा कंफर्ट चाहिए था, हम दादी के साथ भी आए हैं, इसलिए हमने होटल चूज़ किया, हमने टेंट्स नहीं चूज़ की। अदरवाइज़ हमारा भी प्लान था कि हम ऐसी कोई टेंट में रहेंगे। सो जिसको ये करना है, इट्स अ वेरी कूल एक्सपीरियंस। It's time after the paragliding, it's time for paramotoring, and I'll show you guys. There's a motor which is attached to a paraglider, and then it starts and then it runs on this surface, and then you take off, which will take a good round of the Thar desert. The paragliding that we did was of less time, only 1-2 minutes. So this will be about 5-10 minutes. It'll be fun to do this more than that, I think. And per person this would take about 5,000 rupees, which would be worth if it's for 5-7 minutes as well. But this is an experience of a lifetime, guys. Whoever comes to this Thar desert for these safaris, you have to do this. It's a very fun experience. I'll show you how it lands, guys. It's right in front of me over there. So guys, that's the motor and that's how it works. You saw a little bumpy landing, but it's completely safe to do this. So many people are doing it over here. क्या पेट्रोल जाता है? पेट्रोल और ऑयल का मिक्स. अच्छा,
पावर पेट्रोल से चलाते हैं.
ओके. अच्छा, और ये फैन अच्छा है, पावरफुल है वो.
हाँ, ये
अच्छा है. फन एक्सपीरियंस.
मैंने निकले.
मॉम को भी बहुत मज़ा आया होगा. उसके फेस पे बहुत मोटी स्माइल दिखी मुझे. और मॉम ने, और मेरे और मॉम के लिए एक्चुअली पैराग्लाइडिंग था, बट फिर मोहन भाई ने कर लिया और मॉम को ये करना था तो ये हमने किया. दिस वाज मच मोर फन देन व्हाट वी डिड अर्लियर, सो बेटर. Honestly speaking, that was much comfortable than the paragliding, and this was much better for the round as well. It was आराम से 5 minutes and ज़्यादा मज़ा आया इसमें. कुछ नहीं करना था, बैठे थे, खुद ही हुआ जो हुआ. And the guys were very helpful and it was very safe to do this. And the dunes, you saw the view, just amazing. मस्त experience था. यहाँ पे आओ तो ये करना. Now it's time to do some ATV driving. उसके बाद we'll do some activities and then we'll head to the camping resort over there where there is a cultural program and some food waiting for us. So let's enjoy this, then we'll do more activities. So the motor parasailing, it's now time to drive this amazing ATV. And just look at this ATV, guys. I think it's come today. It looks so new, it looks so good, and it might have power as well, guys. So let's enjoy this. And after that there is camel ride, which my family is going to sit. I don't prefer to sit on camels also. So let's have fun with ATV. It's going to be fun. Have a look at this new ATV, guys. It looks damn good. Here for this experience on this cool ATV, and we have some assistants with us clicking pictures as well. And for the stunts and all the good part, he's there with us. Otherwise we are driving for a bit. So let's have fun with the ATV, guys.
बजरंगी भजन की शूटिंग बनी थी वो ये जगह. यहाँ पर सर गाड़ी, कैमल वगैरह कोई लव जो मूवी सब बनती है वो ये डेजर्ट है. डेजर्ट की डिज़ाइन देखिए आप. कैसा लगा ATV राइड?
बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है.
मज़ा आना चाहिए.
यस. on a camel there, and they are such sweet animals, guys. Like, they are in the desert, and guys, for I don't know, for tough situations like a desert, you need animals like these, and they can store up to like a lot of liters of water, so that they can utilize it throughout their trips, and they can stay without food and water for about 4 to 5 days, which is like commendable for an animal, which is very, very tough. But these animals are made for this. Look at their sweet faces, guys. I can't resist. I want to pull one of their cheeks, but they are too dangerous for me.
खुले कहाँ बैठूं नहीं बैठ रहे
ले जाएंगे सीधे सांप को भी ले जाएंगे नहीं लगता जल्दी नहीं ये देखो
The animal who took my family for a ride, the sweetest. The sun is set now. We are headed to the camp for some entertainment program and some food. My dad is just relishing and enjoying some chai over here. And the thing is, like, we have a small bottle in which we are going to take the sand from this desert, because it's very special to us. Because as my dadi mentioned, long back my ancestors were from here, which is like lovely for me. Come here from where my ancestors used to come, so ये मिट्टी तो लेके जानी है. वो तो आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम रशीद खान.
रशीद खान. अच्छा, बॉलर बनोगे? He makes lovely chai, which India के लिए he'll play, and my dad is relishing some cups of chais from this guy, because this guy is supposed to make like very good chai. Thank you.
इतलो कप पूरा कप